How to sign up and create new account in PUBG Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign up and create new account for PUBG Mobile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, make sure that you have the PUBG Mobile app. You can easily get it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. After you get it, open it up. Now initially it will go through a lot of processing, that is, it will download packages and stuff, so just wait for it, and after all that is done, you will be on this page right here. Now after you're on this page, do sign up and create new account. All you need to do is choose one of these three options. Now you can log in with your Facebook if you want to. It's really easy. If you have not already previously logged in using your Facebook, you can create a new account. But if you have already created an account with your Facebook, you get just logged in into that previous account. So if you want to create a new account, you can either just tap on sign in with Apple if you haven't yet signed in with Apple, or simply tap on phone and mobile, head over to email login, and here you will need to type in an email that you have not yet used previously. So I'll just do that. Just type in your email. So let me just type in my email here, and make sure that you have your email opened up. You will get a verification code, so just type in your email, tap on done, and tap on OK. Tap on obtain on the verification code, and you should get a verification code in your email. So just complete this captcha if you have just got that, and make sure that your email is opened up as I said before, and you should receive the email address. Oh, so there is a mistake on my email here. Let me just change that. And after you type in the verification code, you'll have logged in into your account. So there are other login ways you can use to just log in into your account too, but that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.